India and the world at large knows Odisha as an ancient land with a rich cultural history and heritage. What draws the average tourist here are the exquisite carvings on temple walls, the intricate indigenous forms of art and craft, the distinctive appeal of native traditions of dance and music, and a rich cultural calendar topped by the Rath Yatra, an annual religious extravaganza with no parallel in the world. Unfortunately though, the fact that Odisha has much more to offer than just its rich cultural heritage seldom receives the attention it deserves. Few states can boast of the breathtaking range of nature's bounties Odisha has been endowed with. Miles and miles of dense green forests, eternally evolving mountain ranges, ravishing waterfalls, murmuring hill streams, a long coastline interspersed with some of the finest beaches anywhere, wild and enchanting creeks, lakes and lagoons, and a wildlife population that would be the envy of most other states. In short, nature in all its multi-hued glory. When it comes to sheer natural beauty, Odisha is certainly among the most attractive destinations in the country. Odisha has about 1/3 of its land covered with forests, supporting around 86 species of mammals, 473 species of birds, 110 species of mangrove plants, and 350 species of medicinal plants. The rich biodiversity of the state is conserved mainly through a network of protected areas comprising 2 national parks and 18 sanctuaries. This network is complemented by wilderness areas, wetlands and other biodiverse sites along the coast, including mangroves and turtle rookeries. Black bucks, crocodiles, olive ridley turtles, Irrawaddy dolphins and migratory birds together make for a sumptuous visual feast for those who revel in nature. The best incentive for the nature-minded tourist is the unique opportunities that the state offers in ecotourism. Situated at a distance of 30 kilometers from Angul town, Satkosia Tiger Reserve is a paradise for both animal lovers and nature seekers. With its dense green forests, silent hills and murmuring streams, Satkosia is the second largest forest landscape in Odisha. The mighty and beautiful Mahanadi River, the lifeline of Odisha, passes through it, making the place exquisitely rich in biodiversity. The magnificence of the place can turn even a casual visitor into a lover and worshipper of nature. At Tikkarpada, the major attraction of Satkosia, tourists get to enjoy boat rides on the Mahanadi and view the majestic gorge, towering mountains, and frolicking migratory and local birds on the riverbanks, along with gharials and muggers, two endangered crocodile species of Odisha basking in the sun. Situated on the coast of Bay of Bengal and surrounded by hypnotically charming lush green mangrove forests is the mesmerizingly beautiful Bhitarkanika National Park. Located in Kendrapada district of Odisha, Bhitarkanika with its 94 rare and endangered species of mangroves is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India. The park is home to an incredible range of flora and fauna. It has one of the largest populations of endangered saltwater crocodiles in India and one of the unique wonders of nature, the heronry at Bogogohana, the largest nesting ground in Asia. A boat ride between the creeks or a walk in the nature trail here offers the visitors a rare opportunity to witness one of the greatest floral biodiversities in the world. Chilika, the serene and charming lake of Odisha, is an artist's muse. The natural brackish water lagoon of marine origin on the east coast of India is spread over an area of about 1100 square kilometers, covering parts of Puri, Khordha and Ganjam districts in Odisha. It is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the second largest lagoon in the world. Declared as a wetland of international importance, Chilika is the largest winter destination of migratory birds on the Indian subcontinent. Mangala Jodi, a small village in the northern part of Chilika Lagoon, is the best spot for tourists to experience the exciting and enchanting sight of thousands of migratory birds congregating with gay abandon. The 8-kilometer-long Nalavana Island, a bird sanctuary, is a central refuge point of about 60% of all migratory birds visiting Chilika Lagoon each year. Irrawaddy dolphins, best seen in the outer channel near Satpada, and the lagoon mouths at Sipakuda and Gobakunda, are other major attractions for tourists. The lush green, expansive and exquisitely beautiful forests of Simlipal feel like heaven on earth. The rustle of leaves, the murmur of the streams, the chirping of the birds and the call of the wild together compose a symphony of life here. With an area stretching over 2,750 square kilometer, Simlipal is the biggest reserve forest block in India. One of the large tiger reserves of the country, Simlipal is perhaps the only one that has multiple USPs. This dazzling landscape, with its diverse range of flora and fauna, and the blooming of rare endemic orchids and innumerable medicinal and aromatic plants, is a rewarding experience for visiting botanists, anthropologists, bird watchers, animal lovers, and solitude seekers. This is the only tiger reserve with melanistic tiger population in the world. The waterfalls at Uski, Borehipani, Joranda, the serene Chahala Valley, the green Mundia Hill near the tribal village Navana, the picturesque Lulung and Gudugudia, rich in pine forests and orchidium, are places that attract the late tourists. Devkund, Bhimkund, Sitakund, Ramtirtha are places of worship for Hindus due to their mythological importance. The Eco-Development Committee of Simlipal offers its visitors provision for night halt, birding and trekking on forest trails. Spread over an area of 353.81 square kilometer, Debrigad Forest in Bargarh district is located on the banks of the famous Hirakud Reservoir. Declared a wild sanctuary, the forest is home to large herds of Indian gaur along with other animals. It also witnesses one of the largest congregations of migratory water birds in Odisha. A boat ride in Hirakud Dam Reservoir guarantees the visitor an unforgettable experience of nature in all its resplendent glory. Tourists can witness wild animals at Pathai Durga inside the forest at regular intervals. The zero-point picnic spots at Dodrukusum, the captive elephant Kharsel, and a small waterfall in Ushakoti along with Parvati Tong, Samleshwari Temple at Sambalpur, Huma Temple, Ganteshwari Temple beckons the tourists. A forest close to the state capital is rare, but there is a sanctuary barely 20 kilometers from the city limits of Bhubaneswar, the state capital of Odisha. Comprising the forest areas of Cuttack and Khurda districts, the 193.39 square kilometer wide Chandaka Dampara Wildlife Sanctuary is best known for its sizable population of elephants. The sanctuary is also home to an incredible 700 varieties of flora and 300 kinds of fauna. Dotted with several lakes, fountains, dams, Chandaka is a recreational ground for both city folks and outside tourists. Animal lovers, tourists and researchers come here to enjoy the breathtaking beauty on offer and see the animals at places like Jalara, Ambilo, Godivari and Mantu inside the sanctuary. The remains of an ancient fort built during the reign of Anantavarma Chodaganga 1078 to 1147 AD are located at Bualigoda and Chudongogoda within the sanctuary limits for interested people. There is also provision for adventure sports for youth such as net walking, rope climbing and boating. Running along the coastline of the Bay of Bengal for about 40 kilometers, the exquisite Balukhan Sanctuary is located by the side of one of the finest marine drives in Asia, the Puri-Konark Marine Drive. Spread over an area of 87 square kilometers, this forest mainly consists of casuarina and cashew nut trees. Apart from the greenery all around, the breathtaking sight of the sun rising against the backdrop of the sea at Chandrabhaga and boating facilities on river Kushabhadra offers the tourists an exciting prospect. The walking trail through the forest leads to virgin beach full of white crabs. The most frequented places of tourist interest in the area are Beleshwar, Balikapaleshwar, Ramchandi and the world-famous Sun Temple at Konark, situated close to the sanctuary. Balasore district of Odisha offers the glorious wonders of nature to its visitors. Located at a distance of 15 kilometers from Balasore town, the Chandipur beach is a popular tourist destination for the unique phenomena that sees the sea recede up to 3 kilometers during low tide and then come back at high tide every day. About 100 kilometers from Balasore is Italosari beach, surrounded by palm trees where one can see countless red crabs. The Bichitrapur Mangrove Ecotourism destination, located at Khadibil Bodopahi, is close to the Digha beach in neighboring West Bengal. The panoramic view of the mangrove forest at the confluence of Subarnarekha River and Bay of Bengal is a treat for the eyes of the tourists. The Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary, at a distance of 31 kilometers from Balasore town, offers a number of enchanting spots for tourists. Savoring the expansive meadows, following the nature's trail and boating in the Risia Reservoir, and spending time at Nature's Camp destination at Gohirabolo offers exciting prospects for the visitors to the sanctuary. Popularly known as the Kashmir of Odisha, Daringbadi is a hill station in Kandhamal district. Situated at a height of about 1,000 meters, the place has pine jungles, coffee gardens, beautiful valleys and plateaus. Set in a beautiful locale and surrounded by thick rainforest with wild animals on all sides, Darinbadi is a popular summer resort. Apart from several parks and gardens like the Nature and Butterfly Park, a tourist can pay a visit to the nearby Mandasaru Valley, Belgad and Kotagad Wildlife Sanctuary. Nature camps have been set up at different spots where tourists can have a luxurious stay and still be a part of nature. All the nature camps are run by local communities who take care of each and every need of the tourists. They not only provide locally grown fresh and healthy vegetables and food, they also share their age-old experience and knowledge with the visitors to their area. These nature camps help generate income and employment opportunities for the local communities. In return, these communities take utmost care for conservation of forests and the environment. All these camps offer day and night staying facilities straight in the lap of nature with various activities. Visitors can log on to www.ecotourodisha.com and book their accommodation as per their budget, taste and requirements. This website offers in-depth knowledge and information about each and every tourism destination. One can book suitable cottages just in seconds by filling up easy online forms and paying by credit or debit card or online banking. It is never too late to plan and pack your bags. Take a break from the chaos and embrace the silence as a road takes you to a land of discoveries and unknown possibilities. Hurry up! An exciting adventure in Odisha is waiting for you.